Hello children, how are you all doing?
Hi friends, good to see you.
Hey buddy, what are we reading today?
Hey Dad, today we will be reading another beautiful story, Grandpa Farouk's Garden.
Oh great, what is the story about?
This story is about a little boy named Amir and his grandpa Farouk's love for their garden and how Amir tries to help his grandpa in saving the garden.
That is very interesting. Let's get started, Vishwa.
Grandpa Farouk's Garden. Grandpa Farouk's garden was Amin's favorite place. Amin loved the fruits, the leaves, the flowers, and the trees there. He also loved spending time with Grandpa. They worked together in the garden every week. When they finished, they enjoyed the fresh fruits from the garden.
Children, as you see, this story is about a little boy named Amir and his grandpa Farouk. Grandpa has a very beautiful garden. Amir loves all the leaves, the flowers, and the trees over there, and it is his favorite place. Amir also loves spending time with his grandpa. So every week they work together in the garden, and after they finish their work, they both enjoy the fresh fruits from the garden.
One day, Grandpa was very quiet. He worked in the garden without saying a word. They plucked fresh fruits, but Grandpa didn't eat any. What's wrong, Grandpa? Asked Amir. My garden is dying, Amir, replied Grandpa. Why do you think so? Asked Amir. Look closely, said Grandpa. Some pets are eating the plants. Amir looked at the leaves of the plant nearby. Half the leaves had been chewed off. Can we do something to stop this? Asked Amir. We need ladybirds, said Grandpa. They are very useful bugs. They can eat these pests and save my garden. But where will I find them? Don't worry, Grandpa. I will bring you a bug or two, said Amir.
Children, do you know what the ladybirds are? They are also called as ladybugs or lady beetles. No, they are not scary. It is just a funny picture. They are actually cute. You may find them mostly in red or orange colored with black spots. These little ladybugs are harmless, and in fact, they help us with protecting the plants and trees because they eat all these plant eating insects and pests.
Amir went home and began to look for ladybirds everywhere. On the second day, he found two ladybirds while walking home from school. They were in the grass growing by the side of the road. He carefully picked them up and brought them home. Amir put the small leaves and twigs at the bottom of a big plastic box. Then he gently placed the ladybirds inside. He kept some food and water for them in the box. The next day, Amir looked for the bugs around the football field. He found three of them sitting on one leaf. Come with me, little ladybirds. We have to help Grandpa, he said, carefully picking them up. 2 days later, Amir found four more at the park. He picked them up and ran home. Now his box had 9 ladybirds. The next morning, Amir went straight to Grandpa Farouk's house with a big smile on his face. He showed Grandpa the box with the ladybirds. Grandpa couldn't believe it. You done well, oh my boy. You done so well, Grandpa said with a tear in his eye. Amir and Grandpa opened the box in the garden and let the ladybirds out. The ladybirds liked their new home. They had many pets to eat there. From that day on, Grandpa Farouk's garden did what gardens should do. It grew and grew and grew.
Children, as you can see, Amir was able to find the little ladybugs and help his grandpa in saving the garden. Excellent reading, Vishwa. Thank you.
Thanks, Dad.
So, children, hope you all enjoyed this beautiful story. We will see you again in our next video. Until then, happy reading.
Thank you, friends. We will see you again.